Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update personal information in Delta Dental account, profile guide step. To update your personal information in your Delta Dental account, start by launching your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Delta Dental website at www.deltadental.com. Once the page loads, locate the login button, typically found at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. Enter your username and password in the respective fields. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the prompts to reset it. After logging in successfully, find and select Profile or Account Settings from the dashboard menu. In the Profile section, you will see various personal information fields. To update specific information, such as your address, phone number, or email, click on the corresponding field. Make the necessary changes to your personal information. Once you have updated your details, ensure to check for any required fields that need to be filled. After confirming all changes, look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the page. Click the Save button to ensure your updates are recorded. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your profile has been successfully updated. If any issues arise during the process, refer to the FAQ section or contact customer service for assistance. After completing these steps, log out of your Delta Dental account for security purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.